Here's how to predict profit from raising 100 meat goats with solar farming. This video covers the best practices for raising meat goats, the benefits of using solar power, and how to calculate the potential profits for a solar farm operation. The first step in predicting profit is to choose high-quality breeding stock, known for their fast growth rate, meat quality, and disease resistance, for example, Boer, Spanish, and Kiko goats. Next, calculate feed cost to include hay, grain, and any supplements. For a 100 meat goat herd, an estimate for this cost is $10,000 per year. When raising meat goats with solar energy farming, first install solar panels. Solar panels convert the sun's energy into electricity, which can be used to power the farm's lights, water pumps, and other equipment. This eliminates the need for fossil fuels and reduces the farm's carbon footprint. Incentive alert. USDA NRCS is focusing funding on farms producing climate-smart commodities. A hypothetical solar farm setup for raising 100 meat goats would include solar-powered barns for shelter and protection, solar-powered pens for confinement and management, and solar-powered pastures for grazing. Solar energy can be used to power watering systems for the meat goats. This eliminates the need for electricity or fuel to power water pumps, saving money and reducing the farm's environmental impact. So just how would you calculate profit with solar farming? A solar farm setup for raising meat goats includes the installation of solar panels, batteries, and inverters. The cost for this setup can vary depending on the size of the operation, but for a 100 goat operation, it can range from $50,000 to $75,000. To calculate the potential profits for a solar farm operation, you can use a formula that considers the cost of feed, veterinary checkups, and meat sales. For example, a solar farm operation with 100 meat goats, feed cost of $10,000 per year, vet checkups at $7,000 per year, and meat sales at $250,000 per year, would have a profit margin of $233,000 per year. To calculate your yearly profit margin, we need to subtract your costs from your revenue. So, if your revenue is $250,000 and your costs are $17,000, that is, feed costs plus veterinary checkups, your profit margin would be $233,000 minus solar setup cost. Incentive alert. Your solar costs can be partially recovered by Year 1 solar energy tax credit and subsequent carbon credits earned. So, what would your potential profits for the next 4 years look like? If sales increase 5% each year, in Year 1 and the potential profit was $233,000, Year 2, $244,650, Year 3, $256,882, Year 4, $269,726, and Year 5, $283,212. So, is it worth it? Raising meat goats using solar farming can be profitable. Solar power can provide incentives for meat goat farmers and increase the efficiency and sustainability of operation for maximum profitability.